Oh god.
What?
Moon is a 3.5.
So he's cheating.
I don't know, it's only 4 games in, but
Oh.
he's normally a 0.5 in comp in regular Crucible.
0.7, yeah.
But he's a 3.
He
It's
has
like
5
a
gold
legit
medals.
new account, like
Yeah,
first
so
time in
he's-
trials.
So he's cheating.
Probably- yeah,
Yeah.
more than likely.
All right.
And
He's
the
smart.
other guy, Basta, is a 1.7.
All right.
Who's normally a
Oh.
0.8.
God, I'm going right outside.
It's double cheaters, by the way. There's 2 of them.
Who pre-nades that?
Nobody. The cheater
Oh my god. Oh, series dead.
Okay. I got sucked in from Narnia. You gotta be kidding me. Aping. That's one of the cheaters aping.
Nice.
Nice. That's both cheaters dead.
Yeah, my res is out.
I gotta make
Pushing,
sure this
pushing.
kid.
Close, close.
What?
That's
Melee with.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, oh man.
Unlucky.
Yeah. Alright, I fucking shit all over them.
Fucking Tyr got a blowjob right away. It like pulled
Yeah.
right into
Dude,
the
I'm
doorway.
telling you, man, it's the door of death.
like the thing was.
One's outside, one's
Okay,
outside,
I
one's
was
outside.
getting- Yeah, he just pre-fired me.
I
Like they're
two-tapped him.
turning it. They're turning it out. I tapped them as well.
Matt, watch your side.
Yeah.
Okay, you're such a rat.
I got the one. I got the one.
That's one of
Oh
them.
my
the
God.
other one's Moon. They're
He
both
just
on your left, on your left, on your left, on your left.
Talk to me, you're dead.
I'm dead. No. Oh,
Yeah, I wasn't gonna see anybody on the left until they jumped, so that was unfortunate. I two-tapped them, but you know.
Vortex and Dustfield should be switched. Yeah.
fucking Steven from Seattle, dude.
Play here.
Just go outside and just wait till they push us.
I mean, they've been pushing us. I got one of them.
That's one of the cheaters. The other one's on me. Just perfectly 3 times. That's the other cheater. That's both cheaters dead. Right? Last guy's a bot. Behind you, behind you. Like not warmed
Like,
up
I
and ready
mean,
for
there
this.
is the potential of this being recovs, but unless
Yeah.
somebody comes forward, they are cheaters to me.
Homie, what have I been saying all weekend? Win or lose, we accuse.
Yep.
No, he's like legit cheating because he knew when to
Yeah, he hasn't missed a
peek
headshot.
me and everything.
So.
Like he was pre-firing with his 120 before I got to the corner already.
Yeah, like he just.
They just
two-tapped
gave
me
us
with a
heavy.
pre-fire. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Gonna give Matt Pete.
One guy's right below us.
I am
He's
so
dead.
fucked.
I traded with one cheater. The other one's coming up. He's up top.
God damn.
Got him, got him.
That-
Please tell me
that-
it's a
no, that's-
potato.
Right behind you.
That's the
I'll take
cheater,
it, I'll
yeah.
take it, I'll take it, I'll take it.
It's Moon
Like-
and Deprego.
Yeah.
Last
I
time.
literally jumped down and you pushed me right back out into him.
I'm sorry.
No, I don't really care.
I know. Important thing is we split the heavy round.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run into a wall for a second.
Just gonna sit here. He's floating.
I got the bad kid.
Alright. There's just one each side.
They're gonna
The
get that
in the
res
back
though.
end. Yeah.
I got it.
Loading up.
He's floating. That's one cheater down.
Well, cheaters still know how to farm their teammates, so.
I haven't done anything yet this game. But
That's alright.
Some big numbers.
I'm almost at divider.
I'm just over half.
We're outside.
They're outside. They're waiting for
Oh,
you.
he put a sniper on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he
Okay.
is 100% cheating.
He's turning it up.
He fucking cranked it.
Doesn't want to lose.
I think he's upset I bagged him.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Just cranked it up, dude.
Didn't he always have a sniper on?
No.
No.
Showed him with one.
He had Sturm and a Shoddy.
Let's see where they go and then kind of go play for
I
our
mean, they're just
supers.
gonna meet you because they know where you're coming.
Sorry,
One's
there.
outside. They're outside.
I'm gonna
You
switch to
can see
spec.
where we're going.
Oh god.
They have 2 supers.
One's coming behind
One
me.
coming behind us.
Yeah, I'm working on that.
This dude's always
Got one,
peeking
got one,
like
got one, got one, got one.
that.
That's one of the
him,
cheaters.
That's the cranker, dude.
Yeah.
The other one's right here.
I think
on
we've
the
got
right
we've got the
side.
orb though. That's the
Yeah, the
important
other
thing.
cheaters are on the right side. The
gonna
bot's
run-
on the left.
Just run into a wall until I get my nade back.
He has a squall, so be careful.
Pushing up.
I mean, he's just looking at us through the wall. So. He pushed in, pushed in. He's inside.
He's frozen, he's frozen, he's frozen, he's frozen.
I got 8 by the other guy.
That was payback.
Oh man.
The only fun we have anymore is when we kill each other.
Yeah.
They have all supers.
Yeah, they're gonna-
beat us where- Doesn't matter where we go.
I'm gonna pop mine this round because I'm gonna switch over to spec.
Yeah.
They're inside.
inside.
Nope, nope, nope,
They're
nope.
split. They're split.
Watch out.
Come behind us. That's a warlock behind us.
Okay, well,
You
I
wasted,
got
you
this
wasted
guy.
one. That's one cheater down.
I don't know where the second one is.
He's on me, on me, on me.
Yeah, he just fucked me.
Got him, I got
Mine.
him.
This
The
is
other
the
guy's on
bad
me
kid.
as well.
That's the bad kid.
I'm getting sucked. I'm frozen, I'm dead. He's right there on the res of the cheater. Nice.
What? What?
He's dead.
Right, did you shoot the crystal we kill him?
Oh.
What?
Who
He
gives a
jumped in
fuck?
the air
Who
and
gives a
shattered.
fuck? Who gives a fuck?
I understand. No.
Alright.
Alright, well, you can bait 2 and get shit on by the 3rd one, so.
Yeah. Go, here you go.
Alright, there's one far outside.
Oh, yeah, he's hard shooting. Holy fuck.
Where's he at?
Coming up to my orb right now. You're not getting me. He can't dome you out of your super, just remember that.
He has ammo enough. Like, he has
I
multiple
got one of them.
bullets.
Got one of the cheaters.
I'm just gonna pop. I got the other one. I got the
Alright.
other one.
GG's.
I'm just gonna push this kid.
I'm up on top of the jump up.
They did it. He's running. He's sucked on my orb. Just get righty.
Oh, that's gonna kill you.
Run.
Oh,
run.
you
He's
are so
outside.
lucky.
He's pushing, aping with a shotty.
Mad wins that. Go bag the fucking shit out of that.
Cheating
This is
and
the closest
still
one, so.
You wanna play it outside or inside?
Play it the same way we just played it. See where they're going.
Get farmed? Okay, got it. Like they're gonna match us anywhere we go.
I mean, he's gonna know where we're at, so there's
Outside,
one far
far
left.
It's far left,
One's
yeah.
close on the jump up. He's got me. He's on my orb. He's frozen. Nice. That's one cheater dead. I think the other one's far outside, up top. No.
Homie, you just lost and you have 2 people aimbotting. You're absolute dog shit at this game.
I only died because I got blowed.
Terry, how old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
Too old, man. I'm an old man.
No, how old are you?
I'm 28.
Exactly. This motherfucker just lost to 3 30-year-olds while cheating.
Hey, don't lump
That
me
hit
in
me.
with the 30-year-olds yet. What? He's gonna come to the right.
One guy is on the right. He really turned it up this time.
Oh yeah.
I don't think we're winning this one. All right.
Oh, I gotta reload. Fuck. I didn't have to reload. I would have shit on him.
We already
Like
shit on
clicking
them.
I was like clicking my shoot button. It wasn't started reloading. I'm like, no.
Let's try this one inside.
Alright.
They're outside. Warlock's on the
coming to the
flank
left.
on me. Yeah, that's the Warlock cheater. Keeps doing that.
Warlock's coming to the right now.
Yeah, he keeps trying to go for the flank.
Yeah, dude, he cranked this shit.
Oh man.
Right.
Yeah, I don't think we're winning this one.
No, we're not winning this one. Not a chance. Not a chance.
You wasted a bullet.
Watch to the right, Matt. Yep.
Oh, god damn it.
Good plays.
Nice try.
Hey Terry, we switched roles, man. I'm not doing shit
Yeah.
this game.
I'm not either.
Step it up. Let's go. Let's farm them. You got this. Just be aware that the Warlock keeps going for the flank regardless.
Okay, let's just get a let's let him get a triple collab on us.
Hell no. He's far outside left.
You're by yourself.
Okay. I just
I'm gonna
got
die.
8.
Hiya! Sick.
Alright, I'm gonna let him get a game.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for the free kill. I'm gonna go out of smoke.
Same. I'm addicted. You're back.
Not like there's any athleticism involved here. Oh, those guys are. This kid is cracked.